All right, so we're working with our tool for delivering WordPress, and that's called Local WP. And what we did a moment ago was we downloaded the application. So let's continue. So I'm going to go to my hard drive. I'm going to go to the folder Downloads, and here's the application. I'm going to double click and launch it. It's going to install. So I have some questions to answer. In my circumstance here, I'm going to choose only for me on my workstation, choose installation options. I'm just going to install it for myself. Click next. It's going to ask for a destination folder. Unless there's some specific reason, you shouldn't change this, leave it where it is. Click install. And now local is being installed. So the idea is that once you install this, it will work the same way that WordPress would work on any server. It has all the same features, the same layout, same functionality. Completing local setup. We're going to click finish, and we're going to allow it to run. So now it's launched the application itself. And what we want to do is we want to create a site. So we want to click the little plus, add local site, and then we give the site a name. We don't need to worry about the advanced options. Just click continue. Leave it to the preferred settings here and click continue. We're going to give it a username and a password. My suggestion is, since it's just running locally, is just use the term admin for the username and password for password. Never do this on an actual server, but since we're just running it locally, you can do this and then put in your actual email address. And then click add site. So now it's my Windows is asking to verify the publisher. I say yes. This may be a little bit different on your computer. And it's installing the WordPress application. And now we've come to our, so this is a dashboard for local. At the top, you have a little button here that allows you to upgrade to Pro. We're on this tab here where you can have more than one site, which is one of the good things about local. You can connect and upload your content to a server. You can choose these add-ons, none of which we need at the moment. And then there's also some support. So from here, what we want to do is that there's a few buttons here. One is an overview. It's telling you some information like the type of emulator for the web server, the version of PHP it's using, etc. It's showing you that there, with all WordPress sites, there's a database. It's showing you that there are utilities like a mail service, and there are additional tools. We don't need any of that right now. There's two buttons in the upper right-hand corner. One is admin and one is open site. If I click open site, it's going to take me to a generic WordPress site. Okay. If I click admin, it's going to launch the admin. And this is where I go into the actual WordPress application. I type admin for the username, and the password was what? Password. We made it really simple. Never do that on the server. When you're running it locally, make it simple, make it easy for yourself. You don't have to do a lot of hunting and searching for passwords. And I log in. And now we're at the dashboard for WordPress. And over the next couple of sessions, I'm going to take you through the anatomy of the WordPress dashboard, explain to you what all the different features are, and then we're going to go in and do some customization, set up our menus, learn about page building. Let's stop here.